So here I have a little mini greenhouse that I bought from Aldi. The make is Garden Line and the cost was £54.99. Really is a steal and a great little greenhouse for a city garden or a small garden. So these are the instructions that came with it and the warranty. It's really simple to build. And here I am taking all the pieces out of the box. The greenhouse, we've got the two side panels. The back panel is this one. The front, the two top ventilation panels, and three shelves, and the screws and hinges.
I'm going to be putting these plants into the greenhouse.
This is all the plants that we've grown indoors, and Libs is just putting them all in our fabulous little greenhouse, aren't you, Libs? It'll be nice and warm in there when we shut them all up.
Yep.
So who have we got in there so far? Sweet pea, tomatoes, strawberries, some flowers as well. How many shelves have we got in our new greenhouse, Lee?
3.
3 shelves. So we're going good, aren't we? Give me a smile, Lee. All good in the hood. So let's show you in. Really good going. Liv's still getting them all in. Fab job. I think they're going to be so cosy in there, do you, Libs? Great job. Because we can shut all the doors, Libs, can't we? So they stay cosy toed up.
So,
nearly done. We've got more to plant, but that's what we've got so far, isn't it? A lot of them have come up. We've still got loads of room. More planting. So that's them.
Close it up.
So close it up and keep them warm. Well, you've got to loosen the sides here, Libs. Just loosen them slightly, and they just drop down then.
Loosen it.
Just unscrew it tight. There we go.
Just like that.
And you can put the little catch on the front there.
I really recommend it.
It's a great little greenhouse, in fairness, isn't it, Libs?
Yeah, I really recommend it. It's nice and small. Like some big greenhouses are like bigger.
It's great for a little city garden, isn't it? To do planting. It's so much fun. We love doing planting, don't we, Libs?
Yeah.
So thanks for watching our video.
Thanks for watching the channel. Make sure to subscribe and like our video. Bye!